Hello? Hello, Taylor. Better find a way back up quickly, or it's bye-bye to your sisters. Don't hurt them. Oh, I think it's too late. Better find a way back up quickly, my dear. What'd she say? She's hurting my sisters.
She's hurting them? How?
I don't know.
Well, call her back and ask.
No.
Did you say she's hurting them?
No, but I asked her. I told her don't hurt them. She said I think it's too late.
She's not hurting them, but she's torturing them in some awful way.
Oh.
Like I said, find a way back up quickly.
Hey, there's a window up there. Maybe I could help you up and you could get out. Would you do that for me? Sure. If you came back and got me. Of course. Yay. Come on, I'll help you up. Okay, I think I'm up there. Thanks, Katie. I'll come back for you. Promise? I promise. Okay, go save your sisters. I'm back up. Now I need to go find Morgan and Lily.